Hello. Today I'd like to share with you a new knit from the Cheviot series that I recently began posting. The series specific figure is included in this knitting pattern. It is appropriate for summer knits, which should be tighter and not too stretchy as they are made of thin yarn. This knit has some slipped stitches, which I'll show you how to do, making it both flexible and tight at the same time. Row 1 wrong side. Repeat, slip the first stitch. The thread is in front. Knit the second one row down. Again, slip the first stitch. Knit the second one row down. Again, slip the first stitch. Knit the second one row down. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. Row 2 right side, repeat, slip first loop, the same slipped in previous rows. The thread is in the back. Then purl 1. Again, slip the first, purl the second. Slip the first, purl the second. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. Row 3 wrong side. Enter with the right hook 2 rows down under the loop that is slipped twice, pull up a long loop. Then slip the main loop and knit 1. Again, pull up a long loop, slip the main loop, and knit 1. Again, pull up a long loop, slip the main loop, and knit 1. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. Row 4 right side. We have 1 pair of loops, double loop, and 1 single. Knit the double loop through the back. Purl the single one. Again, knit 2 together, purl 1. Again, knit 2 together, purl 1. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. This knit is typically summer and is part of the Cheviot series, which you will find at this link. This playlist contains knits for winter use, elastic and more, all based on this figure, which is ribbed and conveys a unique relief to the knits. I highly recommend this knit for summer. I appreciate you all being here. Click the like button if you enjoy the video. To watch all of my videos, subscribe to the channel and notifications. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.